Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a Pioneer H-R99, very popular model, and I consider this model to be one of the safest investments in an A-Track deck. Now on the H-R99, the meters do not light or register during playback, only during recording, unlike the H-R100 on which the meters light and register on both recording and playback. So you won't see these meters light on play mode. Let's go ahead and pop some. Now another thing I'll say is my Neil Sedaka tape, as you know if you've been watching my other videos, this tape does have some accidental test tones on it. This unit was sent in for random and continuous high-pitched squeal, which is a very, very common problem with this model. So you may hear some test tones on my tape. That is not the squeal this customer was talking about. And of course, this customer will be able to identify the difference between my test tones and the tones he was experiencing. And I'll try to keep it off the tracks that contain the tones. So let's go ahead and pop in some Neil. Okay, make sure we got both speakers. Alrighty, switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay. Okay, so we got kind of lucky there. We didn't run into my test tones, and so this unit, of course, I'm not going to sit here and play it for 12 hours on video. I just know I'm very familiar with the squeal that this unit sometimes produces and how to fix it. So I'm confident that she's fixed for good. So I'm Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You can reach me for repair work only, not for parts or belts, at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.